Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 5 and the fourth marking period, which actually was this past week. But we're going to be starting a new unit for the next 3-ish weeks. Will be all about variables and controlled experiments. I hope you're enjoying my Orioles garb and hat. This is a shout out to Carter Kyle. When you're wearing all of your Cubs stuff in all of your videos. I thought I would support my team in our video for today. So when you go into Schoology, there's a week 5 folder, and the first thing that you will see is your week 5 directions. When you go into your directions, again, here's your topic, and here is your list of things to do. There are 3 videos, 3 articles, and then there's a choice of review activities, assignments. In order to be satisfactory for the week, you must do 7 things. Okay? So if you would watch 3 videos and read 3 articles and do at least one of the review activities, that's satisfactory for the week. Our videos, there's 1 Brain Pop, which you have to go to Brain Pop to view, and then the 2 Edpuzzle videos, which are located right in the week 5 folder. The Edpuzzle about controlled experiments with pendulums is one that we would have done in class had we been there, but I made this to show you what that experiment would have been all about. There's also 2 bonus videos. This is how to build the pendulum that I was making. And then this video is just a really cool one about when you're testing different pendulums. The 3 articles that you're going to be reading, obviously our main focus this time around is controlled experiments. And so the first article is what scientists do, and then there's some information about pendulums in general. Many of you have skipped over the Actively Learn articles when you are completing assignments. And if you do that, it generally doesn't give you enough activities to earn a satisfactory for the week. The review activities are a little more specific than they have been the last couple weeks, so please read the directions carefully. There's 4 activities, including the In the Real World activity. You should complete 2 out of the 4. To make things even a little more clear, in addition to the list on this page, if you click here where it says use this checklist, it'll prompt you to make a copy, and when you make a copy, this is what you'll see. So you can use this for yourself. Oh, did I watch the Brain Pop movie? Yep. Did I complete the review quiz? Yep. Did I watch my Edpuzzle video? Yes and yes. Here are my 3 articles that you should be going to. And then you should have at least 2 checks in this column about with assignments you did. When you are checking for feedback, you should be going to all the places that you submitted something. So definitely Schoology, Actively Learn for the articles, Brain Pop to make sure you've completed the movie and the quiz, and then if you submit a Flipgrid video, you need to go back into Flipgrid to see my comments there. So again, check these off to make sure that you've actually done it. And remember that satisfactory is 7 activities completed for the week that actually earn an S. If you earn a U for something, I usually have commented on that right on the activity. When you're in the week 5 folder, it's going to look like this. The dates are up here. We've got the directions and this video. This week there's going to be a set of vocab. Because you don't have the packets for this, this is the vocabulary that you're going to use for these 3 couple weeks. Okay? Here's my extra discussion post. I really enjoyed your Earth Week activities and pictures. Those were great. And here are your Edpuzzles, discussion, Flipgrid, your artistic expression, and your In the Real World. So everything's there in your folder. Have a great week. Please email me with questions. If you have them, please reread the directions first to make sure the question is not already answered in the direction. And I'm looking forward to seeing your submissions. Again, your Flipgrids. I love them. They're awesome. So yeah, keep it up. Keep doing great work. Remember, the goal for these online learning activities is the learning. Okay, so don't just go through the motions and go ahead and learn something. Have a great week, and I will talk to you later.